Well, good evening everyone, and today I am going to show you the bot which wins the first prize in the KNIT Tech event, which was named Effulgence, as I remember. This bot consists of basically there are mainly two systems. The one system which picks the block, which is controlled by this motor and this motor. This motor controls the grabbing capacity, which grabs the block. You can see how this motor is connected through wires, and this wire is connected through this thread which grabs the block, and the vertical motion of this robotic arm is controlled by this motor, which is connected through this green thread. If you can see this, Tarun, if you can zoom. Okay, fine. Now let us consider the motion of this iBot, and this motion is mainly controlled by four motors, and these motors are of 240 rpm and 9 volts. And one thing I would like to tell you that this motor have more torque and less rpm. The rpm, this is 100 rpm motor and this is 60 rpm motor, because this motor have to hold this block, and it will require a large amount of torque, and the requirement of speed is less as compared to the block, as compared to the motors which basically moves this iBot. You can see that there are used four motors which are connected to the caster wheels, which generates the motion. And for turning, we have used a simple concept. We rotate one motor clockwise and the other two motors anti-clockwise through this 10-strip wire, and this is controlled by DP-DT switches, which you can see here. These are called DP-DT switches, double pole, double throw switches. That is the full form of DP-DT. And now we will give you a demonstration how does it controls the motion of this iBot, and we will show you the demonstration to move this green block from one place to another. Let us suppose I will throw this green block to that point, and it will be put it to some desired place, and Shivam will demonstrate this. I will put the arm forward, and you can see the rotational motion of that iBot, which is simple yet effective. Yes, you can see the motion of this motor, and this is quite efficient system. Shivam, I would like you to put this block in this red mug, and let's see if you can do it. So you can see that it can quite easily put a block from one place to another at different heights. Now I would like to put this green block and put it in at a lower level. Suppose you have to put it on that green box. See that this iBot is capable of holding and putting the block at different heights, which is required in various events throughout this country.